Given the graph of f, we have to find this limit and the point. Question A, lim of x approach to 0, find f of x. And it didn't say it's negative or positive, so it must approach from both sides. As we can see that the limit of 0 is here, this line, and the only point both sides are approaching is here, from the left and from the right. At this point, we estimate it's 2 1/3. So the answer is 2 1/3. Question B, lim of x approach to 1. Find out the f of x. As we can see, here is an open point at 1. It's approaching from the left and the right at the point of 2. So the answer is 2. For question C, point at f of 1. This means it must be an closed point, not an open point, a closed point. And on the graph, we can see that at 1, we have a closed point here. So for question C, it's 1. And for question D, lim of x approach to 2 and find the f of x. And here on the graph, you can see that if we have to find 2, then it must approach from the left and the right. However, on this graph, we can see at 2, there is one point from the left approaching at 3. And from the right, the point is approaching at 4. This means that 3 does not equals to 4, which means at 2, the limit does not exist. For question E, find f of 2, which means we have to find a point that is closed point. However, at 2, there is only 2 open points. There is no closed point, which means the limit does not exist for f of 2. And here is the answer and the graph.